go to the clothes because it's gonna. Hi, Birdie. Come on, let's go out. Let's go out, Birdie. Let's go out. Let's go out, Birdie. Come on, let's go in the living room. So, open the door in the living room. So it can fly. Come on, Birdie. I hope not. Come on. But
drop it in here.
alright. Guys, we got a birthday in our house. And it is 10:35 at night. I don't know how this bird got in here. But it is. And we'll see if
Mom, you're scaring it.
no, I'm not scaring it. Time to get it. Come on, Birdie. Up, up, up. Oh, trying to get out from there. Here you go. Oh, it's over here. Oh, it got trapped. It got trapped somewhere. No. Open the door over there. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, Dina.
It's gonna peck my eye out.
No, it's not. It's not. Where'd it go now?
I wanna take a picture of it.
I don't know where it is now. It went in there again?
Gigi.
Where did it go? Ah, here. I don't know how to get this out. Poor guy. Are you
Look at
scared?
oh my gosh, he's gonna attack us. His mouth is open.
It's so tiny, Dina.
They can peck your eye out. You could
Dina's so scared. Poor guy.
Can I just like grab it?
Huh?
What happens if I grab it? Does it have a disease? So you grab it?
If we have a net, we can go get some and grab him over there. So
We just
maybe
need to scare him into the living room. Get close to him so he flies away.
trying to get him in a net so we can get him out. Okay, okay.
I think I
All right.
broke my neck.
Oops, oops. It's over there, hon. Over there. Oh, it's over here. Oh, oh. Now it's in your. There you go, hon. Throw it. And there's a hole in there. In the other side. Want me to get it?
No, Gigi.
Gigi.
Can you get her?
Yeah.
Mom.
Got inside in there.
It's gonna die in there.
It's not.
Yeah, what if it gets stuck in there? It's gonna die because it doesn't know
It's
how
not.
to get
It's
out.
gonna come.
We are behind the couch.
It's stuck over there. I don't know how to give it out now. There?
Yes. You're not gonna catch it.
He is there.
I told you, you can't catch it. It went in the kitchen.
Gosh, this bird. Gigi. This bird, Gigi, is not coming out. We can catch it. Gigi's trying to look at Gigi. So,
Just take a video of it. You're not.
give it to me. I can catch it. And you?
I only tried once. You tried like 5 times and you couldn't get it.
Gigi's wants to get it.
Where is it?
It is there. Okay. Open the door. Open.
Go out.
Out there, Birdie. Out. Out. Open the door. Open the door, Dina. Oh, come on. Go in the door. Birdie. Finally, it went out. Able to get it out. Oh my, it's a work to get the bird out in house.